How to set up Hey Google on Android. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. So what you want to do is go over to your Google folder and you can just go to the Google app or Google Chrome. I'll just be using the Google app right here. Then on the top right, go ahead and click on your profile icon and then go over to settings like so. You're going to see a lot of different options, but as you can see, there's Google Assistant as one of the options. So just go ahead and click on that. And then you're going to see assistant voice and sound. So you can change that if you want to. There's going to be a lot of different things that you're going to be able to change. And also the cool thing is you're going to be able to choose from Gemini and Google Assistant. So you can use whichever one you want. So if you want to use Google Assistant, just go ahead and switch to that. And if you want to obviously use Gemini, you can just switch to that as well. Just keep in mind that Gemini is obviously the newer one. It's the more advanced one as well. And yeah, then you'll be good to go. So then anytime you say something like, hey Google or hey Gemini, you're going to be able to use it. And yeah, it's as simple as that.